Inside the space probe were blocks of lithium nitrate, a salt-like substance which has a very high heat of fusion. This is the amount of energy required to turn it from a solid into a liquid. In order to heat this material up by 1 degree, it takes just under 2 joules of energy per gram. But when it reaches its melting point, crossing that boundary from a solid into a liquid takes almost 300 joules of energy. And so this change from a solid to a liquid absorbs a large amount of heat energy, which is effectively stored in the material. And so blocks were placed inside the lander to absorb heat and take it away from the electrical components. This system worked extremely well, and Venera 8 successfully made it to Venus and survived for an entire hour on the surface. The Soviets had now mastered the art of getting to Venus, but the world still had no idea what this crazy world actually looked like. And so it was up to Venera 9 to take the first pictures of Venus. The lander was completely redesigned once more. Instead of using parachutes for the final descent, Venera 9 had a large air brake to slow it down and a set of landing legs to absorb the impact. But the most important feature on Venera 9 was the camera system. It had 2 movable cameras on either side of the lander that could take a 360-degree panorama of the surrounding landscape.